Hi, welcome to Simon Smart Showroom. What can Simon i7 Smart do? And what are the hardware requirements to use Simon i7 Smart? Let me show you. With Simon Smart, you can control your home lightings and other smart appliances in 3 ways. Turn on and turn off, dim your lightings, control your curtain through Simon i7 Smart Switch. Simon i7 Smart, a full flat push button, gives you a perfect touch, offer a total solution to your switch's requirement. It comes with a full range of models, including sockets, aircon switch, and items such as 13A with USB charging. The second way to control the smart home is by Simon app. Download Simon Smart Home app and you will be able to give command through your mobile phone. The third way is through voice control. It can work with smart speakers such as Google Home to enable this function. Hey Google, turn on the TV.
Okay, turning the TV on.
So now, how do we start to make our home smart? All you need to do is an additional neutral cable for Simon Smart Switch and an internet data point for Simon Gateway. So you can purchase a Simon Gateway, a switch, and you can start having smart home in your house. This is so simple and convenient. Let's make your home smart now.